boys and girls, this is Miss Blatt. Happy Friday! It's almost the weekend, and I bet you're going to be really happy when you're done with class today. A chance to relax and spend some time with your family. So let's talk about what we're going to do today to finish up our week. Sixes. You have some A to Z stories to read and take some tests. You have a little bit of handwriting as well. You're going to work in your reader's notebook. And the best part is that sixes and sevens, you have a brain break today at the end of literacy, and you and your parent or helper get to enjoy some dancing to break up the day and celebrate the end of the week. In math, you are going to be finding 2D shapes in 3D shapes, so that should be fun as well. Sevens, you have spelling sentences and your tests. You get to work with your parent on editing your friendly letter. You're going to complete some pages of your actually pages 224 and 225 in your reader's notebook. And you get to do a video on conjunctions, and then you're going to be writing some sentences that have conjunctions and, but, and or sentences. You are going to have directions as to how to do this. It should be fun. And then you get to party on and dance because it is a Friday celebration. Guess what? Mr. Bell and Miss Blatt are going to be dancing too. And for math, you have lesson 9.5, which is more metric measurement. We want you all to have a great weekend with your family. Again, we really appreciate parents, and we miss you. And as always, we love you so much, Mr. Abel and I. Have a great weekend.